G'day, my name's Chris Newton. I'm one of the proud owners of Earth Moving Technology Solutions. AI safety camera technology, you know that it's coming, and a lot of people have been fearful for a long time. We're here to hold your hand on what is a revolution towards eliminating people and plant interactions on site. We look after Safety Shield Global, the longest established AI safety camera company in the world, based out of the United Kingdom. We are here running an open day in Glendenning on the 13th and 14th of November. 13th is a government day, 14th is a contractor day. You can see on a link here, you'll be able to book in your time. You need to book. It is a booking or an invitation only event. What are you going to cover on the day? We have 3 2-hour sessions, 8:30 to 10:30, 11:30 to 1:30, 2:30 to 4:30. What you're going to do during those 2 hours, we will have, as you can see, we're earth moving and plant machinery people. We're going to have Safety Shield on a range of different types of plant and equipment. It doesn't matter the brand or the type, Safety Shield can get fitted on it. First hour will be spent here. We will have new machines lined up. Everyone will have 4 or 5 minutes with the different asset types to be able to see exactly how we avoid people and plant interactions from occurring. Once we've done an hour here and everyone's had a chance to have a go, we're going to head inside. We don't just install and leave you. We have got a bespoke hub, 2-stage authentication for your company only, and we help you monitor and adopt and implement and use the data to improve behaviour on site. So all you need to do, go onto the link on this page, you'll be able to see it. Day 1 is local government. Book your slot, 8:30 to 10:30, 11:30 to 1:30, 2:30 to 4:30. 13th government, 14th tier 1, large civil contractors. Come and get comfortable with AI. Come and find out why ETS with branches around the country are the right partner for you to head to zero harm. Look forward to getting your team home to their families every day.